Hey you guys, this is an explainer video on the Lil Envelope A6. It really gave no choice for using the largest of the bubble mailer sizes. So just to give you an idea here, it's very similar width, but it's a lot taller. Again, the background behind all of our Lil Envelope sizes is to eradicate plastics. The Lil Envelope itself has been quite iconic in terms of achieving the sustainability tick. Unboxing experiences so you can print it as nicely as things behind me here. The returns really are so much less, I mean up to 63% reduced returns for our largest client, from the fact that actually you've got so much more corner protection in a corrugated envelope. In terms of it being faster, a lot of people are unaware just how much faster it is to seal an envelope opening on the long edge and with that overhanging release paper. It's printed with the plastic-free accreditation that we have in manufacturing, and also with these logos, which I hope the lens can pick up, but you'll be able to see thumbnails too. Experience from a customer point of view, it's the tear strip that runs right the way through, just like that. Its ability to pop up into box form. So if I hold it like this and push the sides in and force down, much like I compare that to I guess trying to slim down the old love handles. So actually if you do that as you're opening the envelope, force it down and in, you then have the ability from that box form, on these creases here, you push your thumbs in like so. See the thumbs in, I'll do that again. Thumbs in and then fingers in, you can make completely to box format. If I seal that up and then put that to the side, so let's do that. Seal that off. White release paper, pin the seal on here, and I stack that on there. That's it in box form. Actually, we do have some clients that are using this for up to 2 small ladies' shoe boxes. Imagine 2 shoe boxes side by side. It's a great way of avoiding double boxing, basically. But this time, instead of thumbs in first, fingers in first, so it can go into gable top form. Again, we'll seal that here. It's worth just mentioning our advice with all our peel and seal, although it's hot melt, very strong adhesive, it still requires pressure, so pressure adhesive. Just make sure you use the base of your palm, much like kneading bread, to give it that seal there. And then you have here a gable top format, quite cute. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Mel happy.